Yeah, you're definitely going faster than you should. Okay, this is a beginner skateboard lesson featuring Daniela.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Should we do the whole video in Spanish?
Yeah, we really should. Primero, el equipo de seguridad.
I actually understood all that.
No way, did you?
Yeah.
Good.
How do we start this? So you're brand new at skateboarding, you've come to the right place. Hola, señor.
Señora.
Hola, señora.
Hola.
She wants to do the whole video in Spanish. I said, no, that will not be good. So we just set up a brand new skateboard. Very
I
well
love
done.
it. It's beautiful.
I agree. And so now you have all this gear.
Yeah.
We're gonna put all this on. Okay, how does that feel?
Good, I don't know.
Well, we're gonna start the video with, you're not gonna fall. You're not gonna fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
You're not gonna fall. I'm gonna teach you in such a way where you won't fall. But if you do fall, first of all, this is like the world's smallest elbow pad. Miniature elbow pads. Yeah, perfection. Good, shout out 888 for making awesome gear. Okay, so you got knee pads, elbow pads, wrist guards, and you even got a white helmet to match your white board.
It was all planned.
Yeah. Good, nailed it. Now you're ready for the X Games.
Keep in mind, I'm the only one that has this, and the 7-year-olds are kicking my ass.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Welcome to the skate park for the first time. I'm gonna teach you a couple things so that you don't get made fun of. Okay, so you're never allowed to grab your board like that.
Why?
Good question.
Everyone does it, right?
Yeah, totally. If you grab your board like that, they will know you're a beginner and they will call you a poser.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's called a mall grab.
Why mall grab?
I don't know.
But we're gonna bring it back.
We're gonna bring it back.
It is way more comfortable.
Should we just make a t-shirt that says mall grabbing is in?
Yes.
Or mall grabbing is cool?
Yes.
Or I'm not a poser? Or I am a poser?
How am I supposed to grab it?
Like this.
Like this?
Like
Oh.
if you're really cool, you grab it like that.
But that's so
What?
not comfortable.
Thank you.
Like, it's heavy.
We're not here for comfort. We're here to look cool. You can grab it like that too. Yeah.
Am I a poser if I do this?
Yeah, like literally a poser. Like right now you're posing. Yeah, you can grab it like this too. I mean, you could carry your board like
That
that.
looks way cooler.
You think that's cooler?
Yeah, I do.
You don't think this is cool?
It's very like a dude pose. You
Yeah.
know? I'm a girly girl.
So imagine you're at school and you see this and they're like,
Oh, yeah.
and then he goes, oh yeah, your trucks are loose. Or maybe that's just for me.
If it's loose for you,
It's gonna
it's
be-
too loose for her.
Yeah.
You're just gonna stand on there and you're just gonna go like forward and back and you're just gonna feel the looseness, tightness of the trucks. The key, okay, first thing to know is you're always gonna have your knees bent as much as possible. You wanna hold on?
Yeah, I really do.
Okay, stand on there.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh yeah.
Your knees are bent?
Yeah.
Lean forward. Okay, does that feel too loose?
Way too loose.
Okay, step off.
I told you, beginners just need it a little bit tighter.
Beginners unite. Yeah, it's funny. There are really good skaters that some really good skaters have tight trucks and some loose. Okay, I think that feels like. Okay,
Oh,
how does
yeah,
that feel?
Way better.
Way better?
Yeah.
Really? So
Yeah.
that made a world of difference.
Yeah, it really did.
Okay, now
I'm sliding.
now step off. Is that scary?
Very much so.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you everything. The first thing is how to push. So this is easy because your one foot is always off. So you're gonna put your foot, oh actually we gotta back up a little bit. You're from Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Do they have ice in Costa Rica?
No.
I didn't think so. So have you ever snowboarded or done any water sports that require a board?
Yeah, I went up waterboarding.
So which foot did you have forward?
This one.
Your right foot? So let's pretend for a minute. Okay, let's say you're on a nice hardwood floor and you have socks on and you want to slide.
Uh-huh.
You ever done that?
Yeah,
Okay, so you run and you slide.
right.
Pretend. Wow. You see?
What
So
does
you
that
put your
mean?
left foot forward.
It feels more natural.
Does it?
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're looking for. But it's funny because when I asked you, you said you had your right foot forward.
Right, because I write with my right hand.
So I write with my right hand too, and my right foot is forward. But if it feels more natural to run and slide with your left foot forward, skate with your left foot forward.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
It does, yeah.
Okay, has nothing to do right or left-handed. So you're gonna put your left foot on the board and your right foot off. And you're going to just go like this. And you're just gonna walk. Nice and slow, Nice and easy. Do not step on the board. Whatever you do, don't step on the board.
What does it mean, don't step on it? Like,
With both feet.
oh,
Okay, so put your front foot on a little bit higher, and then now walk. Just walk. Don't be
Aaron will
nervous.
catch you.
No, I won't.
like
You're
this?
stepping on the ground. Yeah.
Do I look cool?
You look so cool right now. Everybody's looking like, wow, she looks so cool. Okay, now turn around and go back.
You're so cute.
The crowd goes wild. We got a new skater on our hands. Okay, that's good. How did that feel?
Feel funny.
What do you mean funny?
Like, not natural.
What do you mean not natural?
I prefer the ground.
So she prefers the ground. Not after a while you won't. So you're gonna put your foot on there and you're gonna walk. I think you should do that a little more to get a little more comfortable.
Okay.
Just have it rolling under your feet. But where we're going with this, just so you know, is that you're gonna do a push and then step on. Knees bent. Look at her face.
No way.
First, I think just do a push
Okay.
without stepping on. Okay, with your knees bent, like if your knees are bent like this far and you fall down, you're literally just like sit on the ground. The more you bend your knees, the better.
Okay. Like this.
Yeah, maybe not that much, but yeah. Okay.
He's loving it.
Loosen up.
I look like my grandma.
So I look like my grandma. Yeah, you do. Okay, now go back that way. It's good to have a really fresh, brand new beginner. Never stepped on a board. Okay, how does that feel?
A little bit better.
Does it feel like if you step on the board, you're just gonna,
Fall.
yeah.
I love it.
Okay, I'm gonna hold your hand. You're gonna do a push. Actually do 2 pushes, then put the back foot on the board.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
1, 2, 3.
1 push, 2 push. Okay, she went way too fast. Go like half speed.
Okay. I'm just really excited.
She's like, woo, woo, woo! Even slower. Yeah, good. Now, you're gonna bend your knees. Good. Now step off with your back foot. Yeah, so now you can do that. We basically wanna get you to the point where you have your front foot on there, you give a push, and then you wanna adjust your feet like that, which can be a little scary.
Mm-hmm.
But you wanna be like that. And then we wanna get you to the point where you can step off.
Okay.
Actually, ideally you step off this way. So if you're riding and your feet are like that, that's like very wobbly situation. But if your feet are like that, especially the further they are apart, you'll have more balance.
Okay.
If you're really close, no balance, you'll fall. Okay, good. Now adjust. Yeah, good, good.
Okay.
Now bend your knees. Good, that's perfect. Yeah, now step off. Good. Now we got all this real estate.
Okay.
We'll just give it a push. Good. It's good. Now I'm gonna just, push you along so you can get used to the board feel. How does it feel?
Really nice.
Yeah, not too bad, right?
No.
Now step off. Yeah, good. You always want to kind of know where your weight is. I guess when you're just normally walking, you don't really think too much about it. A couple basics. So you don't want to step in this area because if you step in that area, it's going like this, right? You just want to be here or here, anywhere within this area. And when you first start and your front foot is there and you give it a push and then you step on, this is where I get really nervous.
No.
Right there, because your feet are close together and they're turned. You want to be able to keep it further apart. Always the further apart, the more stability, more balance. Okay, now I push back. You think you can do it without me?
I can try.
You want to try or?
Yeah.
Okay, key here is bend the knees a lot. Because even if you fall, and you do have the wrist guards, we should be good to go. Yeah. Okay.
That was good.
It was good.
Was it?
But it was also exactly what I said, remember?
Yeah, my feet were too close together.
Yeah, you gave a push and then you step on like this and then there's no balance because you're like this instead of stability. Try it again. You can also, you don't have to be totally straight when you first start. You can be a little bit turned. It's just a little awkward.
Okay.
Good, and then when you step on with your back foot, try and aim it about to that back truck.
Okay. I was gonna get killed.
That was good. Another thing, beginner skate park, you have to be always aware.
Yeah.
At least this is nice and chill. There's not like people flying on BMXs and whatever else.
Your first fall.
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm so glad I didn't hit my face.
Hashtag blame Chloe.
Yeah, blame Chloe for everything. This is also like a little instruction on how to fall. If you start losing your balance and you go down, just like allow yourself to go. Just like sit down. When you're moving fast on a skateboard and you're gonna fall, the one thing you don't wanna do is like, put my arm out. Your instinct is like to stop yourself, right?
Yeah.
But if you're rolling really fast and you go to stop yourself, then you're gonna break your arm, break your wrist. Whereas if you were like rolling, just roll. Just let it roll.
Okay.
You're not going fast enough or like hard enough for anything like that to happen too much. But I want you to know, because even on that, like you fell back, you could have just sit down and you like kind of flipped over and like went to like grab yourself.
Yeah.
You could get more hurt trying to like prevent the fall.
Okay.
Now we learned our lesson. I'm gonna hold you. Put your front foot closer up and now step on, back foot. Good, you see how when you get to there, you're quite balanced?
Yeah.
Good, yeah. Okay, now step off. Good. It just takes a lot of repetition and a lot of practice. Okay, that was way better. Because,
Did I look like a pro?
Yeah, you look like a total
What do I
pro.
do with my hands?
Yeah, have them out. Balance. And you can bend your knees more. Yeah. And your shoulders are like in line with the board, which is good. And your front shoulder is always going to be sort of like heading in the direction you want to go. Like that. That's good, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Love
Step
it.
off. Good. I'm still scared. The
Why?
fall scared me. You want to by yourself or you want to?
I want you.
The key here is like, you gotta be comfortable with it. Good, bend the knees. Another thing that I think helps is you can kind of have your feet towards like your weight towards on the ball of your foot. And now step off. Good.
That was better.
That was good, right?
Yeah.
I mean, think you get to the point where you can step on the board, give it a push, and then step off, right?
Yeah.
Now you're pushing. And your knees are always bent, your shoulders forward. You got it all alone. Keep your feet spread with a little push. Okay,
I
see,
saw,
you're
yeah.
so used to putting that foot.
I think it's because I want to do it fast so I don't think where to land.
Yeah, and you don't really need to do it fast.
No?
No, you can practice a little bit like this and get your balance on your front foot, like that, and then it can be slow. So maybe we should do that just a little bit. You're so funny. You're like, straight. So yeah, just practice with the one foot.
So like walking kind of?
Yeah, kind of walking. Yeah. Now, where's your weight distributed right now?
Like here?
Yeah, you want to keep it here. It seems like you're going a little bit back and forth, but here, watch me. You'll really be able to tell that like I'm very light on this foot. All my weight is heavy on this foot, right?
Oh yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Whereas if I'm like,
Yeah, I'm doing that.
yeah, you don't want to do that. Keep it on the front foot. Yeah.
I think I go like faster than what I can catch myself.
Yeah, you're definitely going faster than you should. And another thing is you're sort of like going like your foot is more forward. Have your upper body more forward because you're skating almost like this.
Oh.
But like the second you're off bounce a little bit, you'll fall back, which is what happened earlier. So keep your upper body forward.
Forward.
Yes, like this, not back, forward. Yeah, lead with your upper body. Okay, good. You can see where you're going from being forward to back.
Yeah,
And you
it feels
feel
different.
it. Yeah. Chloe's so excited to have somebody else on the board, right, Chloe?
I just feel like it's someone who understands me.
Yeah. I've been skateboarding for 30 years. I definitely do not understand you.
He's flexing on us. Okay. I'm so nervous.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm trying to find the courage.
Okay, the other thing is like, don't second guess yourself. This is for all skateboarding, even when you're more advanced. You can do this. You already did it, in fact. Do a push, put your back foot on, ride. Were you getting nervous? You're like, oh, I guess like, oh, I'm gonna, no, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm gonna, no, I'm not. But that's where you're gonna fall, because you're like in the maybe zone. Just, you got it.
I got it.
Good? Yeah, it's just a lot of practice to get your balance. Okay, now step off. Okay, now you got it. All your weight right here. Even when you put your back foot on, all your weight is still here, okay? Nailed it. Good, now step off. Now do it again. Now you want to be able to the point where you're like, oh, I can push, I can stand on it, I can step off, I can push, I can step off, I can push, and then that's all pushing. Yeah, good, good. Your upper body's forward.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's good.
Yay.
Now step off. Okay, you did it twice in a row.
That was great.
That was the feeling you're looking for as a skater.
Yeah.
You got it. Good.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, you're a real skater now.
I am.
Hashtag better than Chloe.
Hashtag better than Chloe.
Oh, you took offense to that?
No, we are hashtag better than Lance.
Who's Lance?
Great question. Okay, good. Bend the knees, bend the knees. This back knees makes me nervous. Good, you got it. Yeah, keep the knees bent.
There you go.
Yay.
You know how to push.
Yeah, good. Whoa, whoa. Okay, okay, let me show you something. You were making me nervous. I see it coming. Your shoulders have to be in line with the board. I'll be like this, but see how my shoulders and my feet are all lined up?
Yeah.
So you look like this.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying to look forward.
You're twisted.
Uh-huh.
You're not walking, you're riding a skateboard. The
Okay.
front of your body is headed that way, you're going that way. But your front shoulder is leading, not like this. Because what was really scary, you almost felt like that. Like, "Wah!" and twisted and all awkward. This is where one fall as a beginning skateboarder and you're like, I can't do that, it's too hard, I tried, never again, which is what we're trying to avoid. So keep the shoulders, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, like that. I think that'll help you a lot. Yeah, good.
There we go.
There you go. There you go. Just don't turn the other way.
I was trying to turn, couldn't get it.
Oh, like turn the board?
Yeah, I
Well-
thought I'm going to impress them.
Yeah, don't try that. We probably should have started with some stretching. I forgot. We should have done the whole lesson. Here I am just in like teach mode. Good.
Ooh, oh.
Okay, so that was the good lesson there. So your foot was too far on the nose. So when you took your weight off, it moved up. Yeah, you want to keep it below those front two bolts. Good. Bend the knees, shoulders. Yeah, she's about to ride down the bank now, Chloe. Yeah, good, good.
Yay.
Yay!
You're looking way more comfortable too.
Yeah.
It's fun, yeah?
Very. I love it.
Now you're addicted.
Yeah.
Welcome to skateboarding.
It's not a phase, Mom. It's a lifestyle.
It's not a phase, Mom. It's a lifestyle. Good. And when you're riding, sometimes you go like almost like too high up. So you're in a dangerous position like that. But if you're bent, you're in a very safe position. It's funny, you gotta kind of remind yourself like knees, hips,
Yeah.
like, and then
Shoulder.
shoulder from this to this. And the more you ride, the more comfortable it'll be to
Yeah.
just have all those things in play where you're not like thinking about it. But what I always tell people is now that you can push, you can skate to the store, you can skate down the street, and you're just on the board as much as possible. Specifically, you want to do it every day.
Every day.
Imagine you just did this for 10 minutes every day, 20
That's true.
minutes.
That's true.
A very small amount of time, but it'll go a long ways. You have any questions?
How do I turn?
Okay, that's another video. How do you turn? We'll get there.
Thanks, Aaron.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.
Woo! Well done, I'm proud of you.
Such a good YouTuber.
Well played.
What'd you say?
I'm so happy.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I've always literally wanted to do it. Basically like 11 years now, and I did it. It was not as hard as I thought. I think no one had the patience before, like the gradient, to teach me, so I'm excited.
Yay, well done.